Top 10 romance anime you should watch. In this list, I tried to include animes that you probably haven't watched yet. So be sure to check them out. And if you find this video useful, then give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and enable the notification that you get notified about our latest update. So without further ado, let's start the list. Hatena Illusion. Since he was a boy, Makoto Shiranui has dreamed of being a famous magician like his hero, Mamoru Oshisato. He travels to Tokyo to train underneath his mentor and reconnect with Mamoru's daughter, Hatena, at their haunted mansion. It seems like Hatena has a few things she can teach him as well. What kind of magic can these two conjure up when they finally take the stage?
Is he seriously going to be living here?
You were rather gung-ho when you agreed to all this.
That was before I knew Makoto was a boy!
Take it easy there, Hatsuna.
Don't call me Hatsuna! It's Kata to you!
To another world.
Wow, you're amazing, Yui! I never dreamed that you could read Old Chinese! There it is! This is what I saw!
Forgot to introduce myself. I'm Ryo Yoake. I work for the Real Life Laboratory.
Sounds kind of fake to me.
Real life. Arata Kaisaki was a 27 years old NEET when he met Ryo Yoke, a member of the Real Life Research Institute. Yoke offered him to participate in the real life experiment, giving him a pill that reversed the person's appearance by 10 years. The experiment involves returning to high school for a year, with the research institute taking care of all the expenses for the year. Unsatisfied with his current life, Kaisaki accepts the offer. He initially believes he will spend the year without standing out much, but reality turned out a bit different. The story follows Arata Kaisaki as he tries to rediscover his happiness, influencing his classmates' lives along the way.
I find you hanging out in the park!
Mr. Sakano, you sound stressed. Maybe you should take a nap.
Yeah, well, I wish I could go to sleep instead of doing my job too!
Omamori Himari. Yuto Amakawa is a teenage high school boy who lives on his own since none of his relatives are alive. Since then, his neighbor and childhood friend Ringo has taken care of him and even fed him. He also has an amulet handed down to him by his late grandmother. When he turns 16, he meets Himari, a cat girl quite handy with the sword. She is sworn to protect him, as he is one of the descendants of 12 demon slayer families, and demons want him dead. But he will also have to deal with her cat ears, since Yuto is extremely allergic to cat.
お顔をお上げください、ニケ様。
それは。それは。
This art club has a problem. Contains one part slice of life, one part romance, and one part comedy, all mixed together. A totally ordinary art club at the totally ordinary Sukimori Middle School. There, Subaru Uchimaki wasting his artistic talent on his true passion and life's mission, drawing the ideal 2D wife. Club member Mizuki Usami finds herself with a crush on the hopeless Uchimaki. The seemingly uninterested club president is always sleeping, but he keeps a close eye on Uchimaki and Usami's antics. Then there's the mysterious Colette, who's usually lost in her own world. When this ragtag bunch gather together as the art club, there's sure to be some problems.
Ask him out pretty often. In any case, we exist in totally different spaces.
「覆われているんですが、ミナレさんはそういうの分かりますか？ふわふわしすぎ！星のコーヒーってのスフレドリアかよ！」体感が
Wave, listen to me. One night, Minare Koda strongly vents about a recent breakup. She pours her heart and frustration out to a fellow bar patron. The next day, Minare is horrified to hear her story and voice over the radio. In a rage, Minare rushes down to the station and bursts into a live broadcast. After a quick, well-articulated rant about the situation, the studio is impressed by Minare's clarity, quick wit, and energy. Rather than seeking out punishment, they offer Minare a chance to host a show. Before she knows it, Minare is starring in a late-night radio program. To her shock, she is even getting quite the reputation as an up-and-coming celebrity.
さっぱりわからないんだ。俺は今からどうすればいいと思う？
こっちに聞かないでほしい。
Servant X Service. The anime is about the office workers of the Health and Welfare Division of Government Branch in Hokkaido. They are regular civil servants trying to help people and do their desk job. They are also a bunch of oddballs and they often go about work with a bit of an eccentric attitude. A normal workday for them involves a couple of misunderstandings, a few weird conversations, handling some unruly people, and some romantically awkward scenes from time to time. It is just a normal office, but with not so normal office workers.